let's get some breakfast. Ooh. Well, looks like it's going to be poor man scrambled eggs again. And I might throw a Kit Kat on top, just for the laugh. Yep, let's make some scrambled eggs. Let's do this. What's the matter? You okay? Hey, you alright? Good boy. He's got pubes stuck in the back of his throat. We've all been there. It's tickly! It's tickly! Don't you alright? And welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. So, I'm going to make some poor man scrambled eggs because this fridge is absolutely empty. We are waiting for a home delivery. There's two things you're going to need. Milk and eggs. That's it. Done. Now your ingredients. If you're feeling posh, you might want to sprinkle a little bit of seasoning in at the end. A bit of salt. Even if you're super posh, a little bit of black pepper as well. Oh, bit of shite on that one and a feather on that one. Leave that for kids. So, because we've got an home delivery coming, I'm going to use 3 eggs. Oh, I'll be full till dinner. I'm going to crack them into my little Pyrex dish. Wedding present, top of the list. One-handed, look at this. Bosh, straight in, no messing about. That's how we roll, baby. 2, plop. 3. There you go, 3 eggs. Next thing going, it's milk. Don't matter what you use, red top, blue top, green top, whatever you fancy. Posh people use cream, but I ain't putting cream in eggs. Listening to me. We put milk in eggs in our house. It goes in the cornflakes, it goes in the tea, and it goes in the eggs. Alright, so let's drop some in it, and let's make these scrambled eggs. Let's do this! So, how much to put in? As much as you want. I'm putting about that much in. Not a lot, just enough. So I've got plenty left for my cornies. Right, next thing to do is get your fork, because we ain't got a whisk, and mix them up. This is when all that practice pays off. Good hand motion there. Look at that. I've got a million miles in here. Little champion trumpet polisher back in the day. Action shot. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Next thing to do is cook them. Poshest thing about these scrambled eggs is I'm going to be doing them in a frying pan on the hob just there and not in the microwave. That is because it takes about the same amount of time to cook them on the hob as what it does in the microwave, and personally they taste better when they're done in the frying pan. So to cook them, all I'm going to be using is a super cheap frying pan that we got for about £5 from Asda one time. Best frying pan I've had. It eats up super fast. It's non-stick. It's absolutely great. Next thing is some sunflower oil, because I want my life expectancy to be about between 50 and 55. And then a spatula that we've had for ages and it's literally worn out like my teeth. So let's turn this on. Which one is it? It's that one. Just there. Let's get it hot. Let's get them eggs in. Let's stop talking and let's get cooking. Let's drop a bit of oil in. Not a lot, just a drizzle. There we go. So your pan's nice and hot. Are you ready for this? Oh, you can see it smoking. Can you see it smoking? There we go. That's it, that. That's it. And all you're going to do then, you just keep stirring them. Get them off the edge. You don't make an omelette, are you? You should give your omelette a stir, wouldn't you? A bit like this, and then you'd leave it. Keep stirring it, and because that pan's nice and thin, and you get it in a certain spot, look, it starts to go off very quick. But what you have to do is when your pan gets hot like that, is take it off and stir it while it's off, because you're going to get residual heat off your pan that's still going to keep cooking your eggs, and you don't want to burn your eggs. That is the last thing you're going to want to do. And you go, look at that, look, they're nearly done already. How long's that taken? Minute and a bit. You could actually leave them to cook in that pan from now on, but I'm just going to slip it back on, spin you back round. There you go, you can hear it sizzling straight away. Give him a couple more minutes, pop my toast down in toaster. Going for posh toast today, granary. You can see them little seeds in your poo when you wipe your bum, can't you? There you go, that is it. I'd say that they're done. Poor man scrambled eggs, done in literally, how long does that took? 1 minute, 53 seconds. Look at that. Let's turn that off. So, there you go. Poor man scrambled eggs, done in 2 minutes flat. Absolutely fabulous. Now if you're a knob, you can put butter in and all that, but we're not posh in this house. All I'm going to do, a little bit of British table salt, lad. Sprinkle a bit of that on. Does wonders for your cholesterol, that. And I'm feeling a little bit fancy, and we've got some pepper. So I'll grind a bit of pepper on. Fully seasoned. Got my fancy toast, smothered in butter, healthy option again. All I'm going to do, slide them on. There you go, look at that. Bloody hell, eh? Get that down, you lad. Get that down, you'll be big and strong when you're older, big and strong. Just like your granddad. Absolutely. Bloody amazing. Just like what you see on telly, innit? Cuts a bit off. Would you like to taste it? Oh yeah, I'd love to. Mmm. Oh, it's delicious. Mmm. Oh, it's divine, but I burnt all the fucking top of my mouth. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, they're fabulous. Fabulous. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later. Ta-da. Bye-bye. Guten Tag.